My dear students and parents, in this video we are going to discuss the sum exercise 5.22 in the chapter continuity and differentiability in the subject mathematics to the +2 CBSE students. It is also useful to IIT students. What is the question? Differentiate the following function with respect to x, that is variable x. What is the function given? Cos of sin x. By God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 9th CBSE, 10th CBSE, +1 CBSE, +2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany in English language. Before proceeding the differentiation, we should note at least these 5 points. The first point is we need an equation relating two variables, generally x and y, but in the given function there is no two variable, that is only one variable x. We can consider this function as y. If we consider this function as y, we can get y equal to cos of sin x, so that we are getting one equation relating the variables x and y. Therefore the first point is satisfied. What is the next point? We should see how many terms are there in the given function. Why should we see how many terms are there in the given function? Because each term should be differentiated separately. We cannot differentiate two or more terms combinedly. So that we have to see how many terms are there. There is only one term in this given function, that is in the right side, cos of sin x. There is only one term. What is term? If some data are connected or combined with plus or minus, each data is called as a term. Here no term is connected with plus or minus, so that there is only one term. What is this y? Y is nothing but f of x. What is the f of x? F of x is the function of x, that is the function of distance. Y, the x represents the distance, y represents the height. So the function of distance, that is x, is to find the height, that is y. On differentiating the left side variable y, we will get dy. To which variable? This variable y is to be differentiated. This is to be differentiated with respect to x, so that we will get dx in the denominator. Thereby we will get in the left side as dy by dx. Then coming to the right side, the function is cos of sin x. Then the next point is we have to see what is the coefficient, what is the variable, and what is the constant term. Why should we see these facts? Because on differentiation, the coefficient, the variable and the constant term should be treated differently. It means that the coefficient will remain as it is on differentiation. Only the variable is to be differentiated. If we differentiate the constant term, we will get 0. So that we should see what is the coefficient, what is the variable, and what is the constant term in the given function. In this function, the variable is x. There is no coefficient, there is also no constant term. We have to see whether the variable comes with only one function or two or more functions. If it comes with two or more functions, it should be differentiated. That is, the given function should be differentiated as per the chain rule. That is, as per the function of function. That is, as per the composition of function. Here, the variable x comes with two functions. One is trigonometric cos function, that is cos trigonometric function. The another is trigonometric sine function. So here, since the variable x comes with two functions, we have to differentiate as per the chain rule. Sometimes some students are confusing by which rule they have to differentiate, as per the chain rule or as per the product rule. If we have to differentiate as per the product rule, the given function should be in the form of y equal to cos x into sin x. That is, as per the point 5, we should confirm whether the variable x comes only once or two times as product or division. Here, the variable x comes two times. First time it comes with the cos trigonometric function. Second time it comes with the sine trigonometric function. So that it should be differentiated. Since the x comes two times as a product, we have to differentiate as per the product rule. But in this case, it is not so. Here the variable x comes only once, but with two functions. So that we have to differentiate as already stated as per the chain rule. What is the outer function? The outer function is cos. What is the inner function? The inner function is sine. Which function is to be differentiated first? The outer function is to be differentiated first. We know that on differentiating cos x, we will get minus sin x. Here the given function is not cos x. The given function is cos of sin x. So that on differentiating cos of sin x, we will get minus sin of sin x. Our duty is not over. Then we have to differentiate sin x. First of all, we have differentiated only the cos function. Then we have to differentiate the sine function, that is sin x. We know that on differentiating sin x, we will get cos x. Thereby, we will get dy by dx equal to minus sin of sin x into cos x. We can also write this as dy by dx equal to minus cos x into sin of sin x. You can also see the table for the differentiation of some standard functions and for the derivative of some inverse trigonometric functions. See all the functions on the board. My dear students, If this video is really beneficial to you, you can share this video with your friends, classmates and relatives. You can also subscribe my channel.